But I'm so sick of this goddamn laundry today. I don't know what to darn do. And I'm grateful, I'm thankful, okay? But just the idea of me taking the clothes out of the washer and then dryer, whew. All right, let's get back to work. Peace, family, peace, 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 peace. Okay, so today is laundry day, okay? And I don't know who needs to hear this, but your whites, darks, lights, they should not be mixed together. Oh. Okay, so I need to get some laundry detergent. So we are at Stop and Shop. Let's see. And this is like really the time that gets me excited about washing clothes is when I get new detergent. That's it. That's it. Everything else with this process, honey, I could do away with. Normally I get the Downy, the purple bottle, but today, honey, I'm feeling fancy, okay? And I like trying different things, okay? So this one is blue, so we're gonna go with the eucalyptus. And I'm gonna try this, a part of me like, no girl, just go with Downy. No, I'm gonna try the new one, the Game Relax. Let's see how this is.
$10.99. Savings $1. $2.89. Scan coupon now. Insert. Your total is $25.68.
Okay, so right here, this part, I just wanted to highlight it real quick, okay? So when I go to the laundromat, normally I take everything off, okay? All the clothes I have on. Well, not all the clothes, honey. I ain't getting naked up in there, okay? But I normally take off, like, if I have a sweater on or a jacket, a coat or whatever, like, I take that stuff off to wash my clothes, all right? To wash that coat or whatever it is like that, because when I do laundry, I like everything to be cleaned, okay? And I do laundry every 2 weeks. I know somebody said before, they was like, girl, that's a lot of clothes, okay? Honey, well, it's 3 of us, okay? But I do laundry every 2 weeks, okay? And I knew I was, I'm going to say a little tired. I was a little tired because the things that I normally do, I did not do this time around. But like I said, I'm so grateful and thankful. You know, sometimes in life, like, we want to hurry up and do everything at one time because it's all the way we've been brought up, right? I don't know about you guys, but, you know, in some cases, you may have been called lazy when you was a kid, right? And you still have that going on subconsciously. And I always say, listen, the universe, it doesn't care, you know, if your mama or your daddy always said you was lazy and you gonna try to outwork yourself. No, when you need to take a break, take a break. And I'm definitely telling myself this because, you know, sometimes I go through periods of this where as though it's like I'm trying to get everything done at one time, right? And that's just not how life is. Take your break. Honey, I know I'm tired. Okay. I see the clothes, my clothes up at the top dryer. And I said, I don't even remember putting my clothes at the top dryer. It's time for me to go. Peace, family, peace, peace, peace. Okay, so I just literally woke up probably like about 3 minutes ago. Okay, and I just wanted you guys to see this. Okay, so I did a few things today. I went to the laundromat, and I was so darn tired. The clothes was getting on my goddamn nerves at the laundromat. Okay. It was this guy who was pushing the table, and I was getting upset with him because of the darn noise from the table. Okay. I was just like moody, and I guess that was because I needed rest. Okay. And it's very, very important that you get your rest, you get your sleep, because if not, you're not operating as your full self anyway. Because it's like you need to charge your darn battery. And the sleep is like what's really charging your battery, what's really charging your body. So get your rest.